Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. As you can see by the title, I am making saltfish and cabbage. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this Sister J's way, Sister J's version.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there inna the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here's the cabbage that I will be using. I'll be cutting it up off camera. So this is what it looks like. And here I'm using the saltfish. This one have the bone in it. And they say this one is wild caught. Yes, guys. So this is what the saltfish looks like. Have a lot of salt in it and it have some scale. So I'm gonna clean up the saltfish a bit off camera also. And then I'm gonna put the saltfish to boil after cleaning off some of those stuff. Okay. Over here I have 2 carrots that I'll be using also. The water is boiling, so it's time to put the saltfish in. As you can see, I take off some of the scale of the saltfish. Now I put it to boil. And here I have the bell pepper, the onion, the scallion, the parsley, the garlic, and the thyme, and the tomato. And I'm gonna get this ready off camera too. So here's everything after prepping. The cabbage, the carrot, the bell peppers, the tomatoes, the onion, the scallion, the garlic. Yes, guys. All this is gonna go in my pot. So here's the saltfish already cooked. So I'm just gonna remove the bones and break them into small pieces. So here's what it looks like after removing the bones. This is the bones over there. And I have them break up in small pieces. I have my pot on the fire. I'm adding a small portion of oil. Now I'm adding the tomato, the scallion, the garlic, and the onion to the pot. Over here I have my salt-free seasoning, my garlic, my vegetable seasoning, some chili pepper, and some pepper flakes. Now I'm adding the carrot to the pot, and I deliberately add the carrot before the saltfish. So now I'm adding the saltfish, and then I'm gonna just cover the vegetables over the saltfish because I want the saltfish taste to get into everything. Yes, it's gonna taste like saltfish. Now I'm adding the cabbage. Yes, guys. Now I'm adding some vegetable seasoning. Some garlic powder. Garlic and herb, salt-free seasoning. Some crushed pepper. Some chili powder. Now I'm just mixing this all up and make sure the saltfish is distributed all over. So now I'm adding the bell pepper, the parsley, and the thyme. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Mix and combine, stir it in and push it out. Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. Now I'm just covering it. I just remove the cover and I'm adding some black pepper. A final touch. And now I just add a red hot pepper to that. Yes, guys. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of oil in the pot. And you know, the cabbage cook off its own liquid. Yes. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. It smells so good in here. Saltfish and cabbage. You can serve this with staple of your choice. Or you can eat it just like that. Here I'm serving out a bowl. Sister J. Caribbean cuisine, I don't know how the best food is in a real life, man. I tell you. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, man. Do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.